How to remove or unpair a Bluetooth device in Windows 11. First, right-click on the Start button and select Settings. In the Settings window, on the left-hand sidebar, click on Bluetooth and Devices. This is where all your connected Bluetooth devices are managed. On the right side, under the Bluetooth section, you'll see a list of all your paired Bluetooth devices. Now click on View More Devices button. Now find the specific device you wish to remove or unpair through the list. Once you have found the device, click on the device name to expand the option. Now click on the Remove button to unpair this device. The Bluetooth device will now be removed from your Windows 11 computer's paired devices list. You can also remove or unpair your Bluetooth device from here. Click on the three horizontal dots located next to the device name. A small drop-down menu will appear. Click on Remove Device. The Bluetooth device will now be removed from your Windows 11 computer's paired devices list. If you want to use the device again later, you'll need to go through the pairing process as if it were a new device. So that's how you can remove or unpair a Bluetooth device in Windows 11. Thanks for watching.